Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix FIFA 23 not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. The first step is to update your system and graphics driver. To update your Windows, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. To update our graphics drivers, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software, select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, just to close stuff here. The second step is to disable background applications. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to close unnecessary background applications that may interfere with the game. You just need to right click on it and select End Task. After doing it, just to close stuff here. The third step is to verify game files. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. You just need to right click on the FIFA 23 and select Properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. If you are using EA app, then you just need to go to my library and then right click on the FIFA 23 and select repair. After doing it, just to close stuff here. The fourth step is to disable overlays. To disable Steam overlay, you just need to open up Steam, go to library, and you just need to right click on the FIFA 23 and select properties. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. You just need to toggle it off. After that, just to close stuff here. To disable overlay in Discord, you just need to open up Discord. Go to user setting. On left side, you just need to scroll down. Select game overlay. You just need to turn off enable in-game overlay guys. After doing it, just to close stuff here. The fifth step is to adjust launch options. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. Go to library, right click on the FIFA 23 and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it under launch options and click on outside to save it and just to close stuff here. The sixth step is to reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ Redistributables. You just need to download and install the latest version of DirectX from the Microsoft site. To do this, check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down, select on click here to download manually. After downloading DirectX, another link Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables, scroll down. If you are using 64-bit, then you just need to click on this link and download it. If you are using 32-bit, then you just need to click on this link. After getting download done, you just need to install both application, and after getting done, you just need to restart your PC guys. The seventh step is to clear FIFA 23 cache files. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to search for EA desktop and electronic arts. Both folder you just need to delete it. Before deleting it, you just need to click on the system tray icon. If EA app is running in the background, right click on it and select exit EA app. After doing it, you just need to right click on these both folder and delete it. After doing this, you also need to clear the cache files of the program you run the game from. To do this, if you are playing from origin, then you just need to find the origin in here, origin folder. Just right click on it and delete it. If you are playing from Steam, then you just need to delete the Steam folder. Search for Steam folder, just right click on it and delete it. Steam is running in the background guys. Just click on this system tray and right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. After doing it, select try again. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the eighth step, guys. Eighth step is to reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling FIFA 23. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the FIFA 23 and select manage and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to reinstall it back. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.